Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can disable the 5 Windows services that will help you improve the performance of your laptop or PC. So to get started, simply search for services and open it. From here, find Connected User Experiences and Telemetry service. Double click on it, set the startup type to manual and stop the service if it is running and save the change. Now find Diagnostic Policy Service, set it to manual, stop the service and save the change. Now find Remote Registry Service, double click on it, set the startup type to manual and save the change. Now find Windows Error Reporting Service, set the startup type to manual, stop the service and save the change. And finally Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service, set it to manual, stop the service and save the change. Now as an additional step, search for msconfig and open System Configuration. From here go to the Services tab, checkmark the box of Hide all Microsoft services and disable all and save the change. Now simply restart your computer and you will observe a difference in the performance of your PC. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.